Hey there, if you're excited to learn about managing money through real life stories, you are in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like to stay inspired and keep growing your financial skills. Let's begin. Tommy Helson was an ordinary young man working a steady job as a software developer. He lived modestly in a small apartment, paying his bills on time, saving a little money here and there. He wasn't rich, but he was consistent. One day, his best friend Chris introduced him to something new, which is online trading. You have got to try this, Tommy. People are making a ton of money by trading stocks. It's not hard once you get the hang of it. Tommy, skeptical at first, hesitated, but Chris was persistent. He showed Tommy how easy it was to buy and sell shares of companies using an app. With a little research, Tommy quickly learned how the stock market worked and he saw the potential to make a lot of money. Over the next few weeks, he started trading small amounts of money using savings he had set aside. At first, it was slow, but Tommy was patient. One day, Tommy checked his trading account and saw that he had made a small profit. Nothing huge, but it felt good. However, Chris called him later that evening with exciting news. Tommy, you have got to check out this stock. It's going to explode. Trust me, I am going all in. If we get in now, we'll make a fortune. The stock Chris was talking about was from a new tech startup, Tech Innovate. The price was low, but the company was getting a lot of buzz. Tommy wasn't sure, but Chris kept reassuring him that this was a once in a lifetime chance. Tommy hesitated. He had only been trading for a short time and had a small amount of money left in his savings, but the idea of making a big profit was tempting. He decided to take the risk. He invested the rest of his savings into Tech Innovate, a risky move, but one that he believed could pay off. Over the next few days, Tommy watched his investment grow. The stock price of Techinovate started rising, just as Chris had predicted. Tommy felt a rush of excitement. He couldn't believe how much money he was making so quickly. He started to believe that this was his big break. But then something unexpected happened. The stock price of Techinovate began to fall fast. Tommy checked his phone in a panic. The value of his investment dropped sharply and he was losing money. He called Chris, hoping to figure out what was going on. Chris, what happened? The stock is crashing, Tommy shouted. I don't know, man. I thought it was a safe bet. Just hold on a bit longer. The market is unpredictable, Chris replied, his voice shaking. But Tommy couldn't just hold on. He was now facing a major loss, and it made him question his decision. Should he sell and cut his losses or wait for the market to recover? Tommy decided to wait. He kept checking his phone every hour, watching as the stock price dropped even further. Hours turned into days, and the value of his investment kept plummeting. Tommy's stress grew. He had put everything into this stock, and now he was facing the possibility of losing it all. He couldn't sleep. His mind raced with thoughts of the money he might never get back. Finally, after a long night of worry, Tommy made a decision. He sold his shares, locking in a significant loss. His heart sank as he watched the money he had worked so hard for disappear. Weeks later, Tommy learned that Tekinovet had faced a major setback. The company's product didn't perform as expected, and the stock crash was the result of poor management and bad financial decisions. It wasn't the next big thing after all. Tommy realized that he had been swept up in the excitement of fast money without considering the risks involved. Chris had been right about the potential, but he hadn't understood the dangers of gambling with everything he had. In the end, Tommy learned an important lesson. The stock market wasn't a get rich quick scheme. He realized that investing wisely required patience, research, and a willingness to take calculated risks, not blind leaps. Tommy decided to take a step back, rethinking his approach to finance. He knew it would take time to rebuild his savings, but he was determined to do it the right way. Now, moral of the story is greed and impatience can lead to poor decisions in finance. It's important to understand risks, take your time, and avoid putting everything on the line for a quick gain. The real path to financial success lies in steady, informed decisions, not impulsive bets. I hope you like this video, and if this video helped you, then please consider subscribing our channel Finance with Tarek. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.